Hi there. The question here is asking me to find the area of the circle. Pi is 3.14. If it's not mentioned as 3.14, then use the calculator, use the shift and the pi button to calculate. And they do not want us to round the answer. They provided us with a diameter which is 6.4 centimeter, while what I need is the radius. So step 1, the radius is equal to the diameter divided by 2, which is 6.4 divided by 2, which is 64 over 20, long division. 64 divided by 20, it's 360, subtract 4, decimal 0, 2, so it's gonna be 3.2 centimeter. Step number 2, write the general formula of finding the area of a circle. Finding the area of a circle, sorry, I got mixed up with the circumference here. So we're going to do the second step as area of a full circle is equal to pi r squared. Step number 3, substitute in the general formula. A is equal to, I'm gonna keep pi as is, the radius is 3.2 to the power of 2. Now you calculate. So 32 times 32, ignore the decimal, place it later. 4, 6, 6, 9, add 4, 12, 10, decimal here, 1, 2, 1, 2, place the decimal. So the answer will be 10.24 pi centimeter squared, because it's an area. Now, this is the answer in terms of pi. Now, I'm going to replace the pi with 3.14, so 10.24 times pi, which is equal to 3.14. I'm going to multiply here, so it's 1024 times 413, and we are multiplying. 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9, 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 1 is 4. 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 2 is 2, 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 1 is 1, 3 times 4 is 12, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 1 is 3, add 6, 13, 5, 11, 2, 3. And I have a decimal here and a decimal here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place the decimal, and the answer will be here. 32.1536 centimeter squared. So the answer of the area in terms of pi is 10.24 pi centimeter squared. The answer of the area after I substitute pi as 3.14 is 32.14 1536, and the answer is not asked to be rounded. I hope this is clear. Thank you.